Heidi ho, welcome to my channel, your finger my ring. Today I'm going to be doing this 2 Kroner Denmark coin into a ring. A lot of people on the Helsinki market, like the visitors that come, they think I stamped that heart on there, but no, it is part of the coin. Comes with a hole, but it's not big enough, so I have to break out the penetrator. This punches the holes in the coins. Right, let's go over to Big Bertha. Let's see what she's got for us. She's not looking so damp today. Perhaps she's nearly out of oil. She's been dripping for weeks. But she's behaving herself nowadays. She's probably out of oil. It's still working though, so if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Right, I need a slap on the bottom. I don't know why it does that. It should just unscrew, but... Right, what have we got? There you go. Quite pretty, isn't it? A lot of people like the hearts. I'm thinking of getting a stamp and right, this is Christy Burr, my deburring tool. You just want to make sure, just cleaning up the edges, you just want to make sure there's no cracks or splits forming. Otherwise, that's going to cause your ring to split. And that's the last thing we want. Let's break out jaws. This just holds the coin so you can do it without, because my wrist is pretty sad. It just saves my wrist a bit more. If you're looking for a custom ring, I'd happily make you one. I've got quite a few coins. You can email me or leave a comment under the video. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. A bit more. A bit more. Where was it? This side or that side? This side. See, like I checked. This will be quite a small ring. Because it's a small coin. That's a little bit smaller than the US quarter. That's not too bad. Yeah, that does the job. Right. Now we want to show it some warmth and love with Bernie, the fire starter. This is called annealing. Just softens up the metal so you can work it a bit easier. That's sorted out. Okay. Dry it off. Now you want to find a die that this will fit. Oh, there you go. So we're gonna have to. This will be sunny side up on the ring, so this goes face down in the die. That's quite pretty as well. But it doesn't say Denmark, so yeah. This goes face down in the die, just like that. I'll go with the big red, and we'll fold it. This is called folding, the first fold. Kroner do his job. Okay. Now I just want to clean up this edge again with Sandy. Just to make sure there's no cracks forming or splits. Right, there you go. It's pretty damn sexy, isn't it? No cracks forming, no splits. It's a bit thin now. That's a bit more like it. Right. Now we'll go over to our best friend, Mr. Spike. I love this tool. Right, use the kitchen roll to protect the inside of the coin. Otherwise you've got steel on steel and you'll end up with a smooth with no detail at all. So use a kitchen roll. Some guys use a plastic bag, but I quite like the old 2-ply kitchen roll. I like put it in half so it's quite thick. Let's go and work hard again. Break out Sandy again for a second. I'd rather be safe than sorry. Yeah, that's looking okay. Right, let's get Bernie on it again. Give it a bit more love. See, as you work the coin, it re-hardens, so you have to do this once, twice, sometimes 4 times. Made them wedding bands at Indian couple, they was made of stainless steel. Jesus, well, never again. Well, I say never again. The only person I'd make stainless steel rings for would be the couple that I made their wedding bands, because that's the first time I'd done wedding bands. So if she gives me any more, yeah, I'll do it for her. But God, it was hard. Jesus wept. Crazy hard. Right, that'll do for that. This isn't for anybody in particular, so I don't have a size to make. This part is the reducing, but you can also use the 17-degree dies you use as well. This is a good start for it. Yeah, just trying to straighten the walls up. Like that. First I'm lucky. Nice and straight walls. Okay. Let's break out Kate Bush. Get rid of Elton John. There she is. Right. Yeah, you can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. All the rings in there are in EU size, but I can adjust them up and down for you. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for subscribing. If you're watching this, hit the like button for me, please. It helps with my channel, because I'm quite new to this. I could do with all the help I can get. Hey, stop mucking about. Right, let's give it a bit of polish. Cocktails, anybody? Cocktails? Right. What are we doing? There it is. My dirty cloth. Well, dirty cloth, it's just full of polish. Yeah, if you've got any suggestions or ideas or certain coins you'd like me to turn into rings, I've got quite a good selection from different countries of the world. So leave a comment and I'll happily answer it. Or if you want some help with something, yeah, if I can help you, I will. Good thing on these coins is there's no lip on the inside to cut out, so that's a help. Right, let's whack in Felton John again. Brighten this baby up a little bit. Ouch, it's getting a bit warm. Right, okay. Everything sticks to these towels. Sandpaper, steel wool. You pick them up and everything else comes with it. Hey, what happened to the why are we down to 0.6%? What's going on there? That should be 1.4. When did that happen? My girlfriend gives it a final clean because my fingers are still covered in bloody polish and oil and God knows what else. There you go. See what I mean? Yeah. That's why I use the kitchen roll on the inside. You don't lose any of the detail. What size we got? You're looking at a size 59 3/4. Or 59 1/2, say, yeah. I can adjust the size up or down for you. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, please. Have a great day, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Toodaloo. Sorry, bye-bye.